Today we'll be looking at the Blitzfire Personal Portable Monitor. The initial implementation of the Blitzfire monitor was in mid to late 2011 and intended to fill the need for a large volume portable monitor for our Pierce truck whose stang gun is non-removable. Since that time, the value of the device has been realized and all engines in the Phoenix Fire Department now carry the monitor. While hands-on field training was given during the initial rollout, we wanted to formalize and package the training so that you and your crew could easily revisit the essential elements of this useful nozzle. The following video will cover those elements. The Task Force Tips Blitzfire is a portable monitor which can be used for offensive and defensive fires requiring large amounts of water. It is designed to be used with a 2.5-inch hand line and can be deployed by one firefighter rather quickly. As you will see, the hose line deployment is similar to the horizontal standpipe procedure we currently use. The nozzle person brings the Blitzfire while the captain brings the hose line to the fire. However, with a weight of 22 pounds, one firefighter can shoulder the line with the Blitzfire attached and deploy it alone. In this scenario, the captain removes the gated Y from the 2.5-inch hose and the engineer assists with shouldering the hose line. Because the Blitzfire can be used in offensive or defensive situations, some crews have chosen to pre-connect the Blitzfire to their 2.5-inch hand line. Be sure to understand the plan of your specific crew should you rove into one of these stations. With our red Elkhart monitor, we looped the last 50-foot section of the hose and attached the monitor using chains. The Blitzfire monitor works best with a 10-foot stinger straight behind the base of the monitor and does not require a strap or chains, although there is an anchor point where one could be attached if the circumstance calls for this. Additionally, one or both of the legs could easily hook onto a door frame or other stationary object for added stability. Unfold the legs completely, being careful of the carbide tips, which are very sharp. The female inlet pivots up and down 20 degrees to allow for easy connection of the supply hose. The Blitzfire monitor has a spring-loaded bail to allow the firefighter to operate the monitor. Ensure that the bail is closed as the engineer charges the line. Also, verify that the stack tips or automatic nozzle is tightened down completely before use. The bail allows for quick shutoff for repositioning of the monitor. To operate the bail, pull the pin away from the monitor and open or close the nozzle. As you can see, the ability of the nozzle pivoting 20 degrees from side to side and 10 to 50 degrees in elevation allows the firefighter versatility. The monitor has a unique safety feature that senses 1 G or more of force in any direction and automatically closes the bail. It's easy to see the benefit of this on the nozzle eye. Although the valve closes in a manner to lessen the water hammer, there is still considerable hose reaction near the truck when the automatic closure occurs. This hose reaction is magnified with shorter lays. Engineers should be made aware of this to protect themselves from leg injuries. The stack tips range from 1 inch to 1.5 inches, flowing approximately 100 to 500 gallons per minute. Obviously, the rule of eights doesn't apply in this case. However, the stack tips that were sent to the field have the GPM and associated PSI etched onto the side to allow for easy reference. Be advised, only the etched values of 500 gallons per minute or less are applicable for the use with the Blitzfire. Field testing shows that the 1.25 inch tip provided the best reach and penetration with minimal breakup of the stream. At 110 psi using the 1.25 inch tip, the nozzle delivers approximately 500 gallons per minute. A pressure gauge is mounted onto the body of the monitor to ensure that proper PSI is received at the nozzle. Another convenient feature is that the stream shaper can be easily removed to clear debris. The fog nozzle can be used as well, flowing 100 to 500 gallons per minute. This allows for the use of the high flow versus low flow nozzle setting. As shown here, engine 9 has a gated Y with a 3.5 inch inlet and 2.5 inch outlets, allowing for additional versatility with the Blitzfire. This arrangement is truck specific. As mentioned earlier, be sure to understand the plan of your specific crew should you rove into one of these stations. As you can see, the Blitzfire is a versatile tool that provides big water for those situations that call for it without completely sacrificing mobility. Additionally, with the ability to turn the nozzle on or off using the bale, the nozzle can be used in defensive and even offensive situations without coordination of the engineer. We hope you've enjoyed this training and thank you for watching.